Good day, welcome. My name is Muyamba Matthias, and I'm going to be taking you through the use of Plotagon. Okay, so I've just clicked on it, and I'll be taking you through how to navigate through your Plotagon. Alright, so it's loading, so you just wait for it to finish loading while you get ready to explore Plotagon. Alright, so here is my Plotagon. I'm going to just delete these templates that I've done before now. Just delete them by clicking on the three dots at the down part. I'll just delete them. Don't need them again. Okay. Alright, so I create. This is just like a new one. I just click on create. I'll click on create video. Then it's going to open this interface for me and giving me a background that is set already. That's a scene that is set already. So if you want to change it, click on where you see restaurant. It is expected that it's going to come up with different scenes for me here. Mine is not loading right now, but yours should be loading. Okay, so if I want my scene to have extra people, I can just click on read extra to have extra people on the scene. And if I want them to be attentive, I click on attentive. That's a drop down by the side. I just click on attentive. This is actually a restaurant, so I don't need them to be attentive to whatever it is that I am doing. Okay, so in order to create character to your scene, you go to where you see no actor, and then you have some characters that are already there. So I'll just click on Martins to be my first character. There he is by the reception. I click on him to sit at the table by the left, so I'll click on that. Okay, then I'll click on the next one, no actor again. I'll click on Miss Green to be my other character, and now you click on this drop down where you see I'm clicking right now, so that you can sit by the right of the character, so they will be on the same table, and then she'll sit by the right. Now if you want the character to start talking, you're going to click on the icon where I'm clicking right now. Okay, you click on that icon, okay, right here. You click so that you enable the characters to talk. Then you click on where you see no actor. It's going to give you the two names of the characters that are on your scene. So you click on, let me click on Martins to be the first person to speak, and I'll now type what I would like Martins to say. So I'll type in good evening. Okay, so I've typed what Martins need to say. So do I want Martins to be neutral? No. So I click on where you see neutral, and now choose what you want my Martins to do. So I'll say that Matthew is having puppy eyes. Okay, so you can see that his eyes are out. Now if I want Miss Green to respond, I click on the conversation icon here. Then I click on no actor and click on Miss Green. Now Miss Green will be the one to talk now. So I'll now say, how are you? How are you? Alright, so now that's how I want her to respond. I'll click on a reaction, not to be neutral. I'll click and now search for something. Maybe let's say happy. She's going to be happy as she says, how are you? Alright, so if I now want now to get more conversation going, I'll now click on the icon again, the conversation icon, the message icon there, and now click on Martins again to respond to what she just asked right now. I'll say, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, so if I want her to respond, I click on the conversation icon again and click on no actor and click her name to respond to what he says. So this is how you can continue to say to make your conversation longer. Okay, so in case if you are doing the conversation and you are not comfortable with whatever it is that you have placed, okay, you can just click on the, now you see I'm on Martins. Okay, if I want to go down, I click on Miss Green. Now if you want to switch it that Miss Green will respond good before Martins will say I am fine, thank you, you click on the three dots by the right here. There are three dots and you take the arrow up, so the conversation of Miss Green will go up one step. Okay, so if you want it to go up again, you click on the arrow up. If you want it to go down, you click on the arrow to go down. If you want to cancel the whole thing, you click on the X and then it's going to delete whatever it is that was on that conversation line. Okay, if you want to play your video, you just click on the play button at the top left so that you can kind of hear what you have done so far. But remember that before you start it, play the button, please click on the first scene, which is the restaurant from your setup. Click it there so that you can capture everything that you want to hear. Okay, so if you are comfortable with what you have done, you can go to your top right. There is an arrow and like a box coming out of the arrow at the top right. You click on it and now you save your video. So do you want to save it with subtitle? You click on export with subtitle. If you don't want subtitle, you say export without subtitle. I'll prefer that you export with your subtitle, except if you are using green screen, because sometimes the green screen doesn't show well if you are exporting with it if you use text. Okay, so this is how you can export your file, and once it has finished rendering, it's going to save up in your gallery. I believe that this little tutorial has really helped some of the questions that have been raised. If you have any more questions, I will be waiting and willing to help. Thank you.